So this is all the juices from the beef, which has the honey and mustard in. All I need to do, it's got the Knorr jelly stock cube in, which is one of them, and we'll end up thickening it with Bisto. It's going to be served with sweet potato, collie, broccoli and leek and carrot. In the oven I've got my gigantic Yorkshire puddings, which you can't see. Yes you can. So each meal will be served in one of them giant Yorkshire puddings, and roast parsnip in honey and garlic there. And then it just has to be served with the honey and mustard glazed topside beef.